Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the first Prime Minister.
I am subject to correction because I have not checked it officially. But as far as the knowledge and wisdom I have in my command, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the first Prime Minister to stay overnight in Kaziranga. And in my view, he will be the first Prime Minister to visit Kaziranga. But again, I am subject to correction because at some point of time in Nehru has visited, Indira Gandhi has visited, that is not within my memory. But since 2001 or since I am active, at least from 1979, I can tell with all authority in my command that he is the first Prime Minister who will stay overnight in Kaziranga and who will also visit Kaziranga. Although this is a UNESCO heritage site for long. But by tomorrow I will correct my record. I'll ask Forest Department to reconfirm it. But I think I am almost